What sort of herbs have you used in the past for endometriosis? I mean, I know it's quite similar to fibroids perhaps as the sorts of herbs that you might be using as both being estrogen dominant conditions, but are there any that you found really helpful?
I love Vibop, so cramp bark can be
Hmm.
really
Yeah.
useful. It's got the kind of analgesic as well as anti-inflammatory. It works quite quickly. It's related
Mm.
to the salicite, so there's a pain relieving effect through that, and you can give it in quite
Mm.
good doses at specific times rather than all through the month. I find it works quite quickly. An absolute,
I really love the taste of that
yeah,
actually.
well, it's got those kind of volatile oils in it as well, hasn't it? So
Yeah.
it's a brilliant, it's one of my favourites. And also to think about the whole body, because it's antispasmodic, you know, people who are quite stressed, highly strung, just to give that little bit of release as well within a formula, I find it can be quite a helpful one. And if you like the smell, that's
Mm.
a good thing too. I mean,
Yeah.
good old turmeric, I find it's absolutely wonderful. You know, it does
Yeah.
so many things: antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. You know, the liver
Yeah.
enzymes, phase 1, phase
Yeah.
2. I often give
Gut
that
microbiome.
as pain relief as well. You know, so they'll have, you know, a couple of capsules. I personally tend to use the root with black pepper, organic. I will use
Hmm.
curcumin in very specific cases, but I feel I can get quite a good result with that. Migraines, hormonal migraines, it's fantastic. As you know, when
Mm.
they feel it coming on, you can have one or two of those, and use them instead of having paracetamol, instead of having Nurofen, because then you've got the impact of those. And a lot of women find it really useful.
Mm.
And also insulin resistance and the whole, you know, pattern that comes with that, with blood sugar regulations, it's very useful. A lovely way, as you
Yeah.
probably have it, and lots of people have it, is a turmeric latte. So that's, you
Yeah.
know, on my list of recipes I give to women, because I think, you know, herbs just aren't in a bottle, they're also our food and what we eat, and the more we can
Yeah. Yeah.
incorporate
Yeah.
it into our food, the more we get benefits.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. So that's sort of some of the pain relieving herbs, but there are other kind of more ones that impact on hormones, or
Yep.
change the functioning of the hormones.
Yep. So rosemary is a great one actually.
Okay.
It's a good part of my. I use a lot of that because it
Yeah.
has effect on estrogen. So it clears
Mm.
estrogen really well, and on the liver, it also has a nice
Mm.
circulation effect. So that's not only in the
Yeah.
pelvic area, but you know, the brain. You can just have it as a even rosemary tea, you know,
Yeah.
clear a brain fog to get the circulation going.